A joyful welcome is the first step to create everlasting memories. May now call upon our school culture minister, Madhusha Rajini, to deliver a welcome address.
It's my pleasure to welcome a trailblazer and a visionary whose presence illuminates our celebration with wisdom and joy. Please join your hands in welcoming our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Yam Mohindan, Head Department of English and Mathematics, Marathi. Welcome, yes, sir. My heartfelt welcome to the beacon of knowledge and wisdom, our beloved sister principal, Mercy Immaculate. Your leadership and vision has been the driving force behind our school success. I request our sister correspondent to honor our chief guest with a gift. Thank you, sister. I request our sister principal to bestow a present to our chief guest. Thank you, sister. Once again, I welcome you all to the 78th Independence Day celebration.
தலை நமந்து நில்லடா வாழ்க தமிழ் வளர்க பாரதம் ஜெயஹிந்த் நன்றி வணக்கம்.
Gathering. I humbly request our chief guest, Dr. Yam Mohindan, to share his words of wisdom.
My heartfelt thanks and appreciation to the wonderful management of this great institution for providing an excellent ambience, wonderful ambience and a sprawling campus, especially a green campus. Thank you so much, ma'am. You are doing a great service here. To begin with the events, all the kids have gathered together in 5 different houses representing 5 important values in life. Right? You have all gathered here in the march past, bearing the heat and the sunny day. My salute to all of you for the wonderful march past performance by all the captains, vice captains and all the students for doing a nice march past this morning.
To each one of you for making today's program a memorable and meaningful event.
சுற்றி திரிந்தேன்